Hi, I'm Liz. Today I'm going to show you how to finish off your Kumihimo using bead caps that have holes in them. So we're going to use a wire wrap loop to attach our clasp. So if you don't know how to do a wire wrap loop, please check out my link below. Check out my video on how to do a wire wrap loop. And let's get started. This is really easy and fun, and I think you're going to like it. Hi, I'm Liz. Today we're going to finish off Kumihimo using end caps that have a hole in them. And we're going to use eye pins to make a wire wrap loop to attach our clasp. Okay, so you should already know how to make a wire wrap loop, how to Kumihimo, how to finish your ends. So I have my ends are already bound and I melted the ends. And the tools that we're going to need are round nose, chain nose, and cutters. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our eye pin and our plier, and we're going to bend it at a 90-degree angle like that. Okay, so we're going to do both of those. Just like that. Alright, so now we're going to take one end of our Kumihimo, which I already have bound and melted. I'm going to stick the end of my eye pin right through my Kumihimo nubbin, close to my beads. Try to do this without stabbing my finger. Alright, so see, I've got that right through there, just like that. And we're going to bring it in so that the loop rests up against our nubbin. Just like that. Okay, so now we're going to take and we're going to bend our wire right up against our nubbin to another 90-degree angle, straight up like that. We're going to bring this in, so this is what we end up with. Then we take our end cap and we slide that on down. Look how perfect that fits over there, like that. We don't even need any glue. Now we're going to do our wire wrap loop and we're going to attach our clasp. So just going to make a wire wrap loop. Take one side of our clasp, click that in there, and then finish our loop. Snip our wire, tuck in our end, and there we go. Very cool. Very quick, very easy, right on. So now we'll do the other side.